And BHD 14 Harley kits are designed to be an easy weekend DIY install. Get your saddlebags, flip them and mask them. Drill a hole so you have a place to route your speaker wire. Seat the rubber grommet into the hole. Take your saddlebag for a ride and place it back onto the bike temporarily. Grab your templates of reference. This will set us up nicely to start cutting into those beauties. Add your masking tape a few inches beyond where the templates will sit. Fasten the templates onto the lid, and at this point you should realize there is no turning back. Tremendous. The templates ask for some holes to be drilled around the perimeter. Don't stress, take your time. You can always cut more if you need. Breathe a sigh of relief as you pop the lids off. Clean off those edges, peel the masking tape off, and admire your handiwork. Carefully set the speakers into the saddlebag. Go ahead and place the speaker grill onto the lid, seat the inner speaker mount, and secure them down. Place the speaker against the mount with the terminals facing towards the rear. Place the basket over and fasten it down. Route the speaker leads to the saddlebag and finish up with that beautiful rubber grommet.